Hi friends, you're welcome to Olafem Tutor Mathematics class. What are we doing today? We are doing something on logarithm. And let's look at this question given to us. Let's start it. Find the real values of x for which log x base 5 is equal to 8 log 5 base x plus 2. So we are asked to find the real values of x in this equation. So now, how do we do it? How do we do it? Looking at saying that we have different base. We have base 5 and base x. Now, this is what we will do. It's just a logical, simple approach. Now, let's start with this solution. Now, let's write like this. Log x base 5 is equal to 8 log x base 5 plus 2. So let's take this, collect the items. Let's take this terms. Let's bring it here. And that one becomes minus 8 log 5 base x is equal to 2. Okay, let's just do this that we transpose this to this other side. Now, you will remember, you will agree with me that in one of the rules of logarithm, one of the laws of logarithm, if you have log b base a, and the same thing as 1 over log that's a reciprocal law, b base a, that's reciprocal law. So if you see something like this, so that is what I'm going to apply here. So now because we want to achieve that these are the same base. This is log 5, this is base 5, this is x. So we are not going to achieve what we are going to, except we are going to take it down to the same base. So now it means that log x base 5 is the same thing as 1 over log 5 base x, right? That is what we are going to approach. So take this to this side, so that will become log that will become 1 over log 5 base x minus 8 log 5 base x is equal to 2. Alright, so now what are we going to do? You say let's log 5 base x is equal to a. Let log 5 base x equal to a. So where you have this, you will substitute with a minus 8 a is equal to 2. So find the SCM. So the SCM is by finding the SCM is a. So you multiply all through by a. So that will be 1 over a times a minus 8a times a is equal to 2 times a. Because the SCM multiplied through all through by a, because a is the SCM. That is the reason why. So now this we cancel this, we have 1, this one multiplied by this, we have minus 8 squared minus 2 times a, that's 2a. So what do? You collect the like times, you transpose this minus 8a squared, and that will become 8a squared plus 2a. This one will come to this side, minus 1 is equal to 0. So it has become a quadratic equation, right? A quadratic equation. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to apply whether factorization method or formula method or completing the scale method. But let's go to the, if it is factorizable, let's use factorization method for time's sake, right? So this is 8a squared plus 2a minus 1. So how do we do it? As we always, our normal thing we do, because this degree of 2 acts coefficient, so you multiply it with this, and that will give you minus 8. This is the product side, this is the sum side. So what are those two products that we can use? We get minus 2a and plus 2a and minus a. So if you look at it, so that will be 4, 2, right? So that will be plus minus. So if you look at it, we see that it is minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4, that will be minus, or you can say plus 4a minus 2a minus 1. Okay, so it's equal to 0. So it's now make it like this. So what are you going to do? You are going to factorize the common factors. The common factors we have here is 4a. So 4a divided by 8a squared divided by 4a, that will give you 2a plus this divided by this, that will give you 1. The common factor here is minus 1. So it divide this from minus 2a divided by minus 1, that will give you 2a. Minus 1 plus divided by 1, that will be plus 1. So if you take one of this, so that will become 2a plus 1, then 4a minus 1, or is equal to 0. So if you solve for that, you will get, or as 2a is equal to, take this one to this side, plus 1 minus, to this other side, that's minus 1. 4a as plus 1, you transpose it or collect like times. So divide both sides by 2 here, and divide both sides by 4 here. So we have a minus half, or a is equal to 1 over 4. So we are getting two solutions because the degree the power is of degree 2. So two solutions. So have you found what you are looking for? No. You only get a. You have not even gotten x. So we now go back to where we say let log 5 is x equal to a. So when a is equal to minus minus 1 over 2, what is x? So your x minus half. Remember, we are using this. Okay. So by logarithm, take it to index 1. That will become this, and what are we going to do here? We multiply all through by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Okay, in order to leave us what we are looking for. So that will give us this, we cancel this. So 5 raised power 2, that will give you 25. But you know that this x inverse means 1 over x, right? Which is equal to 5. So if you now find x now, if you transpose, I mean, is either you collect the like times, okay, or you turn it upside down, and that will give you 5. I mean 20. I mean that will give you 1 over 25. Okay, that is it by this. That is for the x. Now let's look at when x is when a is 1 over 4. What is x? So that will log x. Log 5 raised x is equal to 1 over 4. So take it to index form. So that will give you x raised by 1 over 4 is equal to 5. So and how do we leave 5x alone? So you just multiply this 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 both sides. Okay, so that will give you x. So 5 raised to the power 4 will give you 625. 625. So now the real values of x. Now real values of x are 1 over 25 and 625. So that is a real value of x. I think you've learned something today on the logarithm today. So feel free to comment, to share, like this channel for more. Thank you.